Here we are in Minooka.
Wouldn't be mountain biking if there wasn't a climb right out of the parking lot. So, this trail is built and maintained by the Metro Milwaukee Mountain Bike Club. If you go on their Facebook, Metro Mountain Bikers, they are usually pretty good and pretty fast about trail condition updates. Milwaukee area trails don't really do that great with a lot of rain, so there's a lot of trail closures. Don't ride when it's muddy. Gets a little technical, some of these parts. So if these trails look a little beat right now, it's because today is the first day this trail is open this spring. Still a lot of leaves, branches. But these trails are usually really well maintained. But trail maintenance might be on hold for a bit. So we have a stay-at-home social distancing policy in place right now. This corona bullshit going on. Thank you, shout out to China. Clip the tree. Two-wheel drifting. A little down tree. So this feature coming up is kind of the most popular here in Minooka. It's called the school bus. It's a big old rock pile. Here's some option sections. They're pretty cool. Got big rock garden, small rock garden. I'll show you both. All right, so option 2 is more of an expert line. It's just some of these big boulders, kind of technical, pretty fun. A little trickier. And at about the halfway point of the blue trail, we have a pretty decent climb. Kind of grinds on for a while. And unfortunately, it doesn't have an equally long downhill section. But this is Wisconsin. All that hard work, and here's your downhill. As you can see, it's not really downhill. Option lines, log. Pretty much just bottoms your suspension. It's not really worth hitting. All right, so there's another kind of cool feature coming up. It's a little smoother than the school bus, but nonetheless, kind of cool. There is easier ways around, but this is pretty easy. Outside line rock garden. A lot of little features, and they all got go arounds, so makes it pretty safe for everybody. Another fun section. There's the option line to the left. Got some rocks. Another problem with that section is that it's really cool for about 10 seconds. And then it goes this way, which is just kind of flat. But this way, it goes downhill. It would be cool to see some of it more snaking through here. Make it a little bit longer of a descent. It'd be something kind of unique for Southeast Wisconsin because we prioritize uphill here. There's a lot of drifting in these leaves. I mean, how sick would a jump line be going down this? Think about it, Waukesha. All right, and at the end of Minooka, you get to this open field section. First couple turns are pretty fun and fast. And I'll say it gets a little bit boring after those couple turns. So like most of my videos, kind of just showing you guys the highlights, all the cool little spots to ride at each trail. I don't want to mislead you guys because there's a lot of just flat and kind of zigzag meandering through the woods trail here to get to each little feature. Like I said, it's more of a family friendly kind of place that, you know, your expert dad or mom can have some fun on. From what I understand, there is an expansion finally about to happen. They're going to start construction as soon as the coronavirus is gone. Please go away fast. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. I would say of all the Milwaukee trails, Minooka has the best infrastructure. Got some changing rooms and some restrooms. They got a tool stand and bike wash station. Pretty cool. So Shoreline Cycle in Heartland brought over this vending machine. It's got your first aid kit, tubes, gels. Pretty nice to have that trail side. A lot of stuff in there.